What's up, you guys? So, just got off of work and I'm heading over to what's called Police Memorial Park. There's a police academy right there, hence the name. And I'm gonna just take a look and see if anyone is over there. A few of the drone guys I know, they like to fly this park, which is great. This is where I met anyone who flies drones pretty much, which actually out here isn't very many. I haven't flown this area for quite a while. You saw one of my older videos where I was flying around the cool statue with the eagle on it. That's what this park is. So we're gonna go back here and let's see if anyone's flying around. If not, let's just get up in the air. I did just pick up a brand new battery, little 1800 mAh 4-cell. We're gonna see how well this thing works. It's kind of off-branded, but since I'm down to only one battery, I'll take what I can get. So I'm gonna run my one battery and I'm gonna charge this one, and let's just get up in the air. Just nothing special, nothing great. I just wanna get up and fly before the sun goes away. Alright, so plan B, because my idiotness got the wrong kind of battery. Yes, it's a LiPo, yes, it's a 4-cell, but it's an 1800 mAh that costs $20. You wanna know why? Because it's an EC3 connection. Let me try to get that in focus. Let me get my head out of the way. It's an EC3 connection, not an XT60. I was so worried about looking at the mAh, the C power, and the amount of cells because they didn't have very many selections, so I wanted to make sure, oh yeah, this thing's not going to burn out my motors. Totally flew right over my head. Guess what? The thing needs to be able to plug in before it can do anything to your motors. And so yeah, I'm headed back, but that means that the sun's going to be gone by the time I actually get up in the air. Well, I can guarantee you, in about 3 seconds, this thing's gonna jump cut and I'm gonna be back. I think I'm gonna end up just cutting straight to some type of DVR footage, and then you'll hear me talk back right after that. So I'm here at the park. I was able to get the one pack in, and I just kind of wanted to say out there, like, I guess mostly for the new pilots, some of you older pilots, you realize what I'm talking about, but don't get frustrated. some dude at the drone store, he was just getting all kinds of pissed off, flustered, because they didn't have any more antennas and they didn't have any more batteries. I bought the last and bread battery, I'm sorry dude, but yeah, I was looking for the same thing, batteries and antennas, because mine is just not working out. The last crash really kinked it up and now I'm just getting all kinds of noise and static. But he was getting mad, he was getting flustered, and it's like, hey, guess what? That's what good 40% of this hobby is. It's just workbench and frustration. But yeah, I mean, like, look at me. I was only able to get one pack in. As you can see behind me, the sun is quickly dropping. The light is quickly going away. I'm hoping that I can get at least one more in with this charge, but who knows? But yes, for all you new pilots out there, it's gonna happen. You're gonna get frustrated. You're gonna have a whole day planned. You're gonna be down to the minute. You're gonna get to your location on time, and then guess what? Your quad doesn't start up, or all these things happen, and now all of a sudden it's too late to fly. It sucks, but it does happen. With that, I would say probably, it's just part of the hobby. It's just part of the hobby. But yeah, you know what? I think right now, while the sun's at a kind of a good level, I'm gonna find some cool places to put this thing, sitting right here, just chilling, hanging out. He goes, "What's up, guys?" By the way, I know in my last one I kind of named him in the description, but I'd like you to meet Beast. I'm calling him Beast because he's tiny, he's strong, and that's what I kept calling him when I pulled him out of the box. Like, let's get this little beast out of the box. So I'm calling him Beast. But yeah, I'm gonna put some Beast in here. I'm gonna put him in some precarious positions and make some cool thumbnails.